How to fix high ping and lag spikes on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix high ping and lag spikes on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if your ping is too high on the Roblox game whenever you're gaming, there could be the issue with the internet connection. So first of all, just open up settings. On the left hand side, you want to go to network and internet, and on the right hand side, you want to go to VPN. And just make sure that you've disabled VPN, because if there are any types of VPN, even though a VPN may be useful sometimes, it could interrupt with the strength of your internet connection. So I just recommend you to just tune off any VPN. Then after that, just go to system. Once you go to system, you want to simply go to the option called Troubleshoot and then just select them. Once you go to Troubleshoot, select Open Diagnostics and Feedbacks from the top right hand side of the screen. Then just select any type of issues that you're having. It is going to automatically detect it and then actually give you proper details as to what are some of the issues. The other reason why you could be having high ping is due to applications running in the background. So right click from the bottom Task Manager, click on Task Manager option over here. Once you go to Task Manager, you can basically see where under processes, if there are any of the applications that is consuming a lot of RAM, you can just right click on it, select the option called End Task in order to end those tasks over here. Hopefully one of these would have helped solve the problem as to how you can fix the high ping. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.